You are listening to the Fire Rescue Athlete Podcast with your host, Aaron Zamzow.
Hey everybody, Aaron Zamzow, the Fire Rescue Athlete Podcast. Thanks for listening. Today I have a real treat for you, no pun intended, because we're going to talk about nutrition. I did a video 3 months ago about nutrition hacks for firefighters that has gotten a really good response. And I wanted to share that with you via the podcast. So I converted it to MP3, and we're going to listen to that today. I just wanted to place an emphasis that nutrition is a huge part of your fitness. You can't out-train a bad diet, and you can't out-train bad nutrition. We need to eat like athletes. We need to fuel our bodies to be ready for that call, and to also help us combat against all the different health issues we face in the fire service: cancer, heart attack, stroke. So please listen to these hacks. I hope they help you out. They have helped me tremendously throughout my career. They help me stay healthy, and I think they will too. Thanks again for listening. Please let me know what questions, answers, or things you want us to cover on the podcast. Hey everybody, Aaron Zamzow, FireRescueFitness.com. My goal is to help EMTs, firefighters, and paramedics stay and get more fit for duty. One of the things that is a barrier to staying fit, staying lean, is nutrition. And on our Fire Rescue Fitness Facebook page, one of the top barriers or questions that I get is, how can I eat more healthy when I'm on the go, when I'm on shift, when I'm really, really busy, I'm getting a lot of calls. So today I came up with 6 nutrition hacks for you to use in the firehouse, in your own house, that's going to help you stay on track with your nutrition. Now, the first thing that I do personally, and what I feel is one of the most important, is if it's out of sight, it's out of mind. So when you go to the firehouse, when you go to your home, if you have sugary donuts and candy and things that tempt you, get them out of your sight line at least. So like in the firehouse, there always seems to be something on the kitchen table. When I start my shift, don't tell my crew this, but I take it and I put it up in the cupboard. Because inherently we're all lazy. If it's in front of us, we're going to eat it. If it's not, and you have to go to the cupboard to eat it, you're less likely to be tempted. And then what I also will do is I'll throw some healthy stuff out, like some celery or some vegetables. I'll put those on the table, or fruit instead. So first thing, out of sight, out of mind. Keep frozen is number 2. And what I mean by that is when you go to the store, stay to the outside. Most of the healthy food is on the outside of the store. And your fruits and your vegetables, your healthy dairy, your healthy meats are all around the outside. So try to stay to the outside when you go shopping. Third is use rotisserie chickens. A lot of times supermarkets will already have them cooked. What I've been doing and what I really like, and what was really the purpose behind this post, was I bought an air fryer, a healthy air fryer from Amazon, and I use it constantly. So I'll buy chicken, or I've even done steak, and just season it. You don't need any oils when you use these air fryers. They're very, very quick and efficient. They heat up fast. So a lot of times when you're hungry, that's usually when you're more tempted to eat something bad. This, it takes as little as 15 to 20 minutes. You'll have nice chicken breast or nice steak. So here I just threw some seasoning on it. You throw it in. You can also then use some frozen vegetables. So you throw these in for 5, 2 chicken breasts in for about 12, and in about 15 minutes you're ready to go with a nice healthy meal. And then the other thing is that use Tupperware to always have some of these prepared. But this healthy fryer has really helped me. I hope it helps you. So that's the third. The fourth is try to always have 3 or 4 recipes that only take about 30 minutes. And a quick and easy way to do that is you have a protein, you have a whole grain, and then you get a vegetable source or a salad. There's pre-mixed salads or pre-washed salads. That's really good. You can use the air fryer to throw some chicken on there, and then you can have a good whole grain, so brown rice or quinoa, and just things that you can throw together in 30 minutes or less. Potatoes, sometimes you can throw them. They have some steamable bags with the chicken breast and your salad. So try to have some go-to quick, easy, healthy meals. And then the other thing is have some healthy snacks. I actually did a post on 10 of the top snacks for firefighters that they can use in the firehouse. That's linked to the blog post with this video. But always try to have almonds, some fruits. I like to use these Kind bars. Look though, when you are looking at snacks, look for the lower sugar options. So try to always be prepared if you can't really, if you really are in a pinch. I put these in the truck with me. But the biggest thing is be prepared with your nutrition. Use these hacks to then make sure that when you are tempted, you have go-tos, healthy go-tos. And finally, last but not least, this is a bonus one, drink water. Always have water available, whether it's on the truck, in the car, at the firehouse. The more hydrated you are, the less likely you are to crave bad things. A lot of times, dehydration and thirst has been mistaken for hunger. So stay hydrated. I hope these 6 different hacks, as I like to call them, help you out. There is a link, whether you're watching this on Facebook or watching this on YouTube, there's a link below to the actual blog post that also has some other links to some healthy snack ideas and everything else. So please, let me know if this helped, how else I can help you, and ultimately what I'm trying to do is get you fit for duty.
Thank you for listening to the Fire Rescue Athlete Podcast with your host, Aaron Zamzow. Please tune in again soon for more fitness tips for fire rescue athletes.